Hey everyone, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from BlockDAG X1 app. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first of all, open the BlockDAG X1 app and log in into your account. Sad to say that right now the app is still running on testnet, which means your mine coins can't be withdrawn just yet. But don't worry, once the mainnet launch later this year, you will finally be able to move and cash out your coins. Alright, so here's the withdrawal process works. So step 1, wait for the mainnet launch. According to reports, this is expected around September 30, 2025 or early October 2025. Alright, so after the mainnet is live, you will be able to sell your coins on exchange. You can use your centralized exchange like MEXC or a decentralized exchange such as BigJet Wallet. So once you have sold your coins, you can withdraw the funds directly from the exchange to your local bank account. So for now, just keep mining with the BlockDAG and stay tuned for the official mainnet launch. That's when withdrawal will finally be if possible. And that's it. That's how you will be able to withdraw your money from BlockDAG X1 once everything goes live. Thanks for watching and good luck.